What's going on, YouTube? Back at it again for another video this week. I didn't put out a new video this weekend working on Julie S10 because it's all repetitive stuff and I figured you guys didn't want to see that all over again. So I got the frame rails finished. Right now we are putting the fish plates on to strengthen them up a little bit. So I'll get a little bit of TIG welding footage, bring you in, kind of show you what the fish plates look like. Also, this week we're going to be doing some dimple die action for where this is going to connect to the truck. So that'll be new. I don't think I've shown that yet. So stay tuned. It's going to be a good video. Alright, so as promised, we're going to do some dimple die action today. So, what a dimple die is a two-piece machined surface that you use in a press. There's one side, and there's the other side. So pretty much like a male and female die. So what happens, press it and the metal goes between it like so, and it makes a dimple in the metal. Pretty cool. People call them speed holes, a lot of other things. So right now we're going to make some in these pieces for the dually. So I'm going to show you how I do this. I don't know how other people do it. Take the metal, put one die in, put the other one on top, just like so. Put it in the press, spray it with some lube. Yeah, I said lube. This lube doesn't work though. Alright, so much for that. So we got some lube on there, and we'll go. Just like so. Let it out. There we go. So I'm going to do the rest of them, and we'll see what we come up with.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So mostly of you are going to say, look at how bent it is now. That's what happens when you put that much pressure into something. This is the one I straightened already, so all you do, put a little pressure on it, and then you start with a mallet. Flattens out pretty easy. And then I'll flatten it some more when I weld it. So you might want to know where these are going. I'll show you. So these are going to go in between this and the frame that's already there. So I'm going to get these TIG welded on here. I'm not going to show you that because you've watched me TIG weld enough in the beginning of this video. So I'll get both of these set up and then we'll get it mounted in the truck. Alright, so I got those plates in. Started welding them, kind of giving you what it looks like. I'm going to finish these up. Got these welded up. Looking sick. Got the rails in, they're not welded in yet. Got to measure for the rear bar, so I'm going to do that now. I'll kind of do some shots at the end of the video of what everything looks like. Gonna be it for this episode. Got the rails in place, got them mocked up in there. I got the piece cut for the rear of it. So next episode we'll start welding these in, get the back in, get this thing locked in here for good. Then we're gonna start the link bars. Make sure you're following this build, it's gonna be sick. Thank you for watching. Thanks for all your support. Come back on the next video. Peace.